Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the maximum of your brain. To begin, let's acknowledge that your brain is an extraordinary organ, capable of far more than you might realize. We'll explore actionable steps to unlock its full potential. This isn't about quick fixes, but rather sustainable habits that will lead to lasting improvements in your cognitive function, helping you think clearer and faster every day. Optimizing your brain begins with foundational habits. First, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night, as this is crucial for memory consolidation and cognitive repair. Second, engage in regular physical activity, like a brisk 30-minute walk daily, to enhance blood flow and nutrient delivery to your brain. Finally, nourish your brain with a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. To actively boost your cognitive function, challenge your brain regularly. Learn a new skill, like a language or an instrument, to create new neural pathways. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes daily to mindfulness or meditation. This significantly improves focus and reduces mental clutter. Also, employ memory techniques such as spaced repetition, reviewing information at increasing intervals, and mnemonic devices to make recall more efficient and reliable. For long-term brain health, stress management is paramount. Practice relaxation techniques, engage in hobbies, and nurture social connections to mitigate its negative effects. Hydration is also key. Ensure you drink around 8 glasses of water daily, as even mild dehydration can impair cognitive performance. Finally, keep your brain agile by continuously seeking new challenges and learning experiences, fostering neuroplasticity and sustained mental sharpness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.